Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Dgme Pay account from your computer or your Dollar General Me Pay account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Dgme Pay account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in Dgme Pay login like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for paystubportal.com like this on the Google itself and hit enter. And after that you can see the login page for Dgme Pay has appeared, whereas we are on the Google result on over here. And on the first result of Google you can see the Dollar General PayStub portal. Click over there and you can see both of these are the same websites. Now to log into your Dgme Pay account, enter your employee ID over here, and after that enter your PIN number over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Dgme Pay account. Or if you have forgotten your PIN, simply click on forgot your PIN to go through a procedure where you can retrieve your PIN number. And if you have not yet registered for a Dgme Pay account, simply click on register now to go through a procedure where you can sign up for Dgme Pay. And there guys, this is how you log into your Dgme Pay account or your Dollar General Me Pay account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.